Unlocking the secrets of effective prayer. Prayer is a powerful tool for believers to communicate with God, and it can be an effective way to bring about positive change in our lives. But many people struggle to make prayer a regular part of their daily lives and to truly unlock the power of prayer. To understand how to make prayer a part of your daily life, it's important to first understand what prayer is. Prayer is a way for believers to communicate with God and to express their faith and devotion to Him. It is a way for us to seek guidance, comfort, and strength from God, and to give thanks for all He has done for us. Prayer can be done in many different ways, and there is no one right way to pray. It can be done in silence, or it can be done aloud. It can be done individually or as part of a group. It can be done in a church or in the privacy of your own home. The important thing is that you are connecting with God and expressing your faith and devotion. Prayer can also be used to bring about positive change in our lives. When we pray, we are asking God to help us, to guide us, and to give us strength. When we pray for other people, we are asking God to help them and to bless them. When we pray for our enemies, we are asking God to show them mercy and to open their hearts to His love. The key to unlocking the power of prayer is to make it a regular part of your life. That means setting aside time each day to pray and to make it a priority. It can be a few minutes in the morning or at night, or it can be longer if you have the time. It is important to make prayer a consistent part of your life so that it becomes a habit. When you pray, it is important to focus on your words and to be sincere in your devotion. Take time to be still and to listen for God's voice. Be open to His guidance and be willing to accept His will. And be sure to give thanks for all He has done for you. Finally, it is important to remember that prayer is a two-way conversation. God is always listening, and He is always there for us. He loves us, and He wants us to turn to Him in times of joy and in times of sorrow. When we do, we can unlock the power of prayer and experience the peace and joy that comes from a close relationship with God.